Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. We have a pork dish that's delicious, simple, and easy to make. We begin with a nice piece of boneless pork, around 500 grams. We're going to slice the pork around half an inch thick pieces. You could either use beef or chicken breast as well for this recipe. When we're done slicing our pork into pieces, we're going to take each piece and cut it into half an inch dice. As you're cutting, you may cut some pieces bigger or you may cut some pieces smaller. It doesn't really matter. You're going to need a non-stick pan, medium to high heat. Add some olive oil. We begin with 3 garlic cloves chopped up. And we're going to cook the garlic in the olive oil for a couple of seconds so the olive oil can absorb some flavor from the garlic. Let's toss in now the pork cubes. Let's add some salt. 3 nice pinches. And 1 nice pinch of pepper. We're going to cook the pork cubes for around 2 minutes, and then we're going to start adding the ingredients one by one. Let's add the white mushrooms, which they're nicely sliced. Now we're going to cook the mushrooms along with the pork until the mushrooms turn golden brown. Now this is what we want, nice golden brown mushrooms. Let's toss in the broccoli, which I chopped up into little pieces. Because we want the broccoli to be fresh and crunchy, we're only going to cook it for a couple of seconds. Now we're going to toss in a red bullhorn pepper, which is cut into pieces. We don't want to cook the red pepper, we just want to mix it with everything so it could keep its crunch and sweetness. And as soon as you give everything a really good mix, you're ready to serve. This is a really delicious dish which is great for lunch or dinner. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.